Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete permanently your TikTok account. Very easy, very simple. I want you to pay very close attention guys. Let's launch a TikTok app first. Then I want you to hit the lower right corner and click on your profile picture. Then when you're at your profile, I want you to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. When you're at settings and privacy, I want you to click on account. When you're at account, the last option that you will have in this menu will be deactivate or delete your account. When you click on it, you will see that you have two options over here. Simply, if you want to delete your account permanently, when you click delete, you will have 30 days to come back, log in, and recover your account. Otherwise, if 30 days period expire after you click delete and you don't come back, log in, and recover, your account will be deleted and your information as well. All the videos, all the content, saves, shares, everything simply will be gone. Very important note is that if you want to request your information, you need to do that prior clicking deletion. Very important, it will take them a while for TikTok to gather and handle over your information. So you want to make sure that you request your information, your data in advance, then you delete all your data, and then you can click delete if you still want to delete your account. Because the second option, deactivation, will simply allow you to deactivate your account. You're not going to lose your data. People simply will not be able to find your account. They're not going to be able to see your content. Your account will simply be, hidden, but your content will be there when you decide to reactivate your account. But this is how you delete your account permanently. And for more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.